Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Moya and we are on Baddies and the Bag. And today I want to share with you guys my honest review on cash stuffing and also what am I doing for the new year. What are my expectations for the new year and what am I going to change? If you are new here, please to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Become a part of the Baddie gang. Make sure that you guys have your notification bell turned on so you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So, did cash stuffing work? Hey, did I save money? Was I able to control my spending? Was I able to change my finances? Was I able to be a little bit more successful on my financial journey? Let's talk about it. So I started cash stuffing in March, and before cash stuffing, or before I've started my journey, I used to fall short on money all the time. Like, there will be times when I have $0, not even $0, like negative balance in my two bank accounts, and times that I'd be scrambling, you know, or borrowing money from my family or friends or whatever. And it just gave me a sense of, I used to be so stressed. I used to be stressed, depressed. I used to just not be happy. Don't have the time to be happy. Can't even try to be happy because I just blew everything. Once I started cash stuffing, a lot has changed. I've realized in my life that it doesn't matter how low I get on cash, I've never ever have $0, or I've never ever hit a negative balance. I used to be the person to walk into TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and come out with 2 big bags of stuff, and half the stuff in these bags I'm not even going to use. And I found myself, from I started cash stuffing, I found myself just only buying stuff that I need. Even when I go to the store now, like, I'll pick up stuff that I think I need, and then once I get to the registers, I'll just start putting stuff back. That's not normally me. I used to take up stuff, whatever I took up or whatever I took up is coming with me. It's not going back nowhere. It's coming home, and I might not even use that thing. I end up throwing that away a year later or 2 years later. But since I started cash stuffing, I do realize that my shopping has changed a lot. Whenever I go shopping now, I am putting stuff back. I'm only picking up stuff that I need. So I will say cash stuffing has done a number on me. It has been working for me. Another thing I realized changed was the urge to order. I used to have this very strong urge to just order stuff, and I'm ordering all type of stuff from all type of places that I don't even know, and sometimes I don't even be getting the stuff, and I don't even try to figure out why I haven't received it. It's just that my money just went down the drain, and that's that. I do realize now that I'm starting to return. I've never been a return girl. I've never been the type of girl that's going to go return something at the store. For me, it's like, if I bought something and it doesn't fit, it just stays in my closet until like a year or 2 later I come up on it and I'm giving it to Goodwill or sending it to Jamaica or giving it to a friend or whatever. If I buy something on Amazon and it didn't work for what I wanted it to work for, I was that girl who I'll just put it down until I come up on it again some other day and it either gets thrown out or given away or something. But since I started cash stuffing, I do realize that I'm returning now. Like, I will pack my stuff, give it to my boyfriend to drop off for me at the post office, or drop it off at Whole Foods or wherever Amazon got their returning going on. And I'm returning stuff now. I'm getting my money back. And then I'm like, oh, this is what it's like being a normal person. It has worked for me as well in that way. I also realized that I'm no longer like a big spender. Like, I used to be such a big spender. Like, for example, we go out at, you know, like restaurants and stuff. If I'm the one paying, because sometimes my boyfriend will pay, sometimes I pay, sometimes we both split it, whatever the case may be. But say, for example, we go to, we start going out to like a restaurant or whatever, I'm throwing big tips. I'm ordering a lot of stuff, appetizers, mixture of stuff that I probably don't even need. but I'm ordering it just because I know I have the money, you know. And that's something I also realized that it has gotten less. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not balling out like that anymore. I'm now more calm and collective and spending my money smarter, so that's a good thing. And another thing that I realized is I'm a girly girl. Everything that you can think of cosmetic wise I can do for myself. My hair, my makeup, even my nails, y'all. I be doing gel X now, like doing my own nails at home, polishing my own toes at home, doing my own pedicures, putting on my own wigs, doing my own face. Instead of doing my lash extensions, now I'm doing clusters. I realized that I'm slowly like cutting down off of a lot of bad habits that I had in money since I've started cash stuffing. Because what? Because it's the urge to want that cash to go stuff in my envelope. It's the urge that I'm having now to go get in my pretty little binders and, you know, count the cash and, you know, tuck the cash away and know in myself that my cash is there. It's the urge kind of like coming into play now and having me doing these things because I want to have more money to go stuff away. Honest review on cash stuffing, girl, you better get started today. Cash stuffing is doing it for me, and not only am I just stuffing the cash and doing all that, I see a lot of changes in different parts of my life. Like I just explained to y'all, a lot of different ways in which I've seen that I've changed financial wise. Like my bad habits that I used to have are changing. Now I'm not saying that every single bad habit is gone. It's not what I'm saying. You know, it takes time for you to achieve everything and for everything to like come through, but I ain't gonna lie, your girl is doing way better than she was doing a couple months ago, and I'm so proud to know that I'm at this space in my life. I'm so proud to realize that this is doable. You know, like I used to think, how am I going to stop these things from happening? How am I going to get out of these ways? Cash stuffing is working. My honest review, you have to get started, especially if you are a very bad person with finances. Like my boyfriend is good at it, but I still made him 2 binders so he could, you know, and he's letting me know that it's working for him as well. So if you are a really bad person with controlling your spending, controlling your finances, whatever, I feel like cash stuffing is great for you. It will work wonders. For me, it has done so much. It's a lot of things. Like I just sat here and listed out things to y'all that I've changed, that I never knew that I would have changed, that I never knew that I could have changed. Has changed, y'all. What? So the returning is what really gets me, because I was always a bad returner. Like I ain't got no time to go print out no label or to go back to the store with a bag to go bring this back. I ain't got no time, man. But now, where the bag at? Where my receipt? I'm bringing this back. Hey Amazon, like this didn't work, y'all need to I'm more responsible. I'm taking more steps towards getting my money back whenever I've spent it. I don't need to, or I've spent it and it's not working out. I am now taking more steps towards getting it back. I am now taking more steps on doing my stuff myself, where I don't have to spend my money. It's great. I've saved money where I've been able to pay off certain things or pay down on something or buy something that I really needed. I've had money in different places. One of the things I enjoy the most about the cash stuffing process is the fact that you're putting money down in advance for everything that you need. When that time comes, you just jump into that envelope and take that money out because you already have that money for it. My favorite part of this journey throughout this year was when my boyfriend's birthday came, and I could just take out the money I had in birthdays, and I was able to do stuff for him for his birthday. That felt great. When my daughter needed diapers, when my mom needed to order something, I could just jump into her envelope and take out the money without touching my current money that's coming in for this month. Also, Christmas. To be able to jump into my Christmas envelope and take out my Christmas money and Christmas shopped whatever I needed without touching any other dime. That felt so good. Like, why would you not want to do this? You know, I started thinking about, like, why do people trash talk cash stuffing so much? I feel like it's because they don't understand it 100%. They're thinking we just have all this cash in our house and we're doing all this and we just have a whole chest full of cash and we only spend cash, and that's what they're thinking. And I feel like that's where the confusion comes in, because I be getting a lot of hate sometimes on these shorts people be coming for me from all angles. But you know, your girl be handling it professionally, cause ain't nobody gonna draw me out, baby. Overall, my honest review, as y'all can tell from on cash stuffing, is a yes. Do it! For 2024, what I really want to work on is the important stuff. I feel like this year I was able to save money, and I feel like I fell short on some of the important stuff. I did have money there, I just feel like I should have had more. For this year, I'm working on making sure that I'm putting up enough money for the important stuff, as well as making sure that I'm not slipping and sliding. Of course, everyone's not perfect. Sometimes we might slip and we might slide, but I'm trying to reduce my slipping and sliding. This year I have slipped. Your girl have slipped, whipped, fell, got up, continue walking, slip again. Your girl have been through a lot, y'all. So this year I'm trying my best to reduce the slipping and sliding, you know, trying my best to stay on course, on track with everything that I'm doing. I'm easy to get bored. So another thing that I found out with myself that happened throughout this year that I want to change for next year is me getting bored with certain challenges. Like, I quit the 100 envelope challenge because I feel like I didn't like it. It was taking too long, you know, stuff like that. Like, I'm easy to get bored. So for the new year, I want to work on, if I started a challenge, I want to stay on the challenge until it's done. But overall, oh my god, I love cash stuffing. Y'all could look forward to 100 million more videos from me, because they will be coming, baby, because I ain't going nowhere. Because this is something that I'll be doing for the rest of my life. This is something that my children will be doing, my children's children will be doing. I'm going to make sure that everybody I love and my whole entire generation is educated on this cash stuffing journey, because it really do help. But y'all, how y'all journeys have been going? What are your plans for the new year? Let me know. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I love all y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.